with Ayurveda Yoga Academy. At our studio, if you've ever taken class, you may have experienced Sun Salutations. Sun Salutations are a series of postures which, when practiced regularly, guide us towards stopping the mind. But other benefits of this posture can include weight loss, increased flexibility, increased circulation, reduced anxiety. The list can go on. I do 3 Sun Salutations here, but I recommend watching and practicing over and over again, as each time you practice, each day you come into the posture, each moment you come into the posture can feel very different, and it can keep growing and changing as your awareness also keeps growing and changing. So if you have any questions at any time, leave us a comment. If you like this video, subscribe to our channel, and we look forward to having you in class. Thanks for watching. Coming to stand at the top of your mat, bringing your feet together, hands to heart center. First, reaching your arms up over your head, keep looking forward. Feel your feet press down as you reach up through your fingertips. And slowly folding forward, bringing your hands to the ground, bending your knees slightly. Stepping your right foot back, bringing your right knee down, the right top of your foot down. Then bringing your left knee back into the ground, coming into cat pose. From here, curling your toes under, lifting your knees up, coming into downward facing dog pose. And again, bringing your knees back to the ground, lowering all the way onto your stomach, with your elbows next to your chest, forehead down. On your next inhale, slowly lifting your chest up, coming into Sphinx pose, and exhale, lowering down. And then slowly pressing your hands down, coming back into cat pose. Then from here, curling your toes under, lifting your buttocks up, coming back into downward facing dog. Then again, bringing your knees to the ground, bringing your right foot forward between your hands. Then curling your left toes under, lifting your left knee up, stepping your left foot forward. So your feet are together again at the top of your mat, folding forward. And slowly reaching your arms up over your head. You can keep looking forward as you reach up through your fingertips, and then slowly folding forward. Again, bringing your hands back to the ground. If you need to, bend your knees. Then stepping your left foot back, bringing your left knee down, the left top of your foot down. If it's comfortable, you can look forward. From here, stepping your right foot back, bringing your right knee to the ground, coming into cat pose. Then curling both of your toes under, lifting your knees up, coming into downward facing dog. Breathing here for a moment. Again, bringing your knees back to the ground, lowering all the way onto your stomach, with your elbows next to your chest, feet hip distance apart. On your next inhale, slowly lifting your chest up, coming into Sphinx pose, just as much as feels comfortable. And exhale, lowering back down to the ground, pressing your hands down, coming back into cat pose. Then from here, curling your toes under, buttocks up, downward facing dog. Again, knees to the ground. From here, stepping your left foot forward between your hands. If it's okay, you can look forward. And curling your right toes under, lifting your right knee up, stepping your right foot forward, keeping your knees bent as much as you need, folding forward comfortably. On your next inhale, reaching your arms up over your head, keep looking forward, and imagine making your body really long as you press your feet down, hands to heart center. Okay, we're going to practice that again. Becoming aware of your breathing. On your inhale, reaching your arms up over your head. Feel your shoulders relax down away from your ears. And exhale, folding forward. Bringing your hands to the ground. Stepping your right foot back, right knee down. If it's okay, looking forward. Left foot back, bringing your left knee down, coming into cat pose. And from here, curling your toes under, buttocks up, downward facing dog. Knees to the ground, lowering all the way onto your stomach. Elbows next to your chest, feet hip distance apart. On your next inhale, Sphinx pose. Exhale, lowering down, slowly pressing back, coming into cat pose, bringing your knees under your hips. Curling your toes under, buttocks up, downward facing dog. Knees to the ground, inhale, right foot forward between your hands. If it's okay, look forward. Curling your left toes under, left knee up, stepping your left foot forward, bringing the feet together at the top of your mat. On your inhale, reaching your arms up over your head, press your feet down, long body. Exhale, folding forward, hands back to the ground, bending your knees slightly. Stepping your left foot back, left knee down, looking forward. Right foot back, right knee to the ground, coming into cat pose. From here, curling your toes under, buttocks up, downward facing dog. Knees to the ground, lowering all the way onto your stomach. Elbows next to your chest, feet hip distance apart. Inhale, Sphinx pose. Exhale, lowering down, slowly pressing your hands, coming back into cat pose. Curling your toes under, knees up, downward facing dog. Knees to the ground, left foot forward between your hands. Curling your right toes, right knee up, stepping forward, folding forward, knees bent as much as you need. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, hands to heart center. Okay, one last time. Inhale, arms up, looking forward. Exhale, hands down. Right foot back, right knee down, looking forward. Left knee back, cat pose. Curling your toes under, buttocks up, downward facing dog. Knees to the ground, coming onto your stomach. Inhale, Sphinx pose, chest up. Exhale, lowering down, pressing your hands, coming back into cat pose. Curling your toes under, downward facing dog. Knees to the ground, right foot forward. Curling your left toes, left knee up, stepping forward, feet together, folding forward. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, arms down. Inhale, left foot back, left knee down, looking forward. Right foot back, right knee down, cat pose. Curling your toes under, buttocks up, downward facing dog. Knees to the ground, lowering onto your stomach. Sphinx pose, inhale, lifting your chest. Exhale, lowering down, and then pressing back into cat pose. From here, curling your toes, downward facing dog. Knees to the ground, left foot forward. On your exhale, bringing your right foot forward, folding forward. Inhale, reaching your arms up. Exhale, hands to heart center.